TigerPAWS is a web application that gives students access to pertinent information in real time. Information that can be found on TigerPAWS includes grades and GPA, a way to search for classes, as well as obtain your class schedule, and requesting transcripts. To get started, you will want to navigate to tigerpaws.trinity.edu. Here you're brought to a main menu where you'll want to navigate to where it says Login. Once you've selected Login, you will need to enter your user ID and password. This user ID and password is unique to you, and it is different from your Tmail user ID and password. Once you've entered that information, you can select Login and you'll be brought to another main menu. Here you'll want to navigate to where it says TigerPAWS for Students. Once you've got to this page, you'll be able to find where you can do your registration, including look at your class schedule and check what wait lists you're on. You can also add and drop classes from this section and check for other classes that you may want to register for. Another great thing that you can do on TigerPAWS is deposit money onto your TigerBucks. This can be helpful because TigerBucks can be used across campus as well as several local restaurants and stores. The final thing that you can do on TigerPAWS is check your grades as well as your GPA. This will be important as the semester rolls through and especially at the end of the year. You'll want to be able to check those grades here. You can also find your class schedule and your profile information here as well.